In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Google Chrome homepage on Windows 11 quickly and easily. This is a simple but really useful customization if you want Chrome to open a specific website when you click the Home button, like Google, YouTube, your company site, or any page you visit often. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three vertical dots. This is the main menu icon, and it opens all of Chrome's settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. That will take you into the Chrome settings page where you can change the way your browser looks and works. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation sidebar. Find and click Appearance. This section controls visual options and a few important browser interface settings including the Home button. Now look for the Show Home button option. If it's turned off, switch it on. This enables the Home button to appear in your Chrome toolbar, which is what allows you to set a custom home page. Once that is turned on, you'll see home page options appear underneath it. Select the second radio button option below the toggle. This tells Chrome that you want a custom web page instead of the default new tab page. After selecting that option, click inside the empty text box. Carefully type the full web address you want to use as your home page. For example, you can type https://google.com, or you can enter any other website you want Chrome to open when you click the Home button. Make sure the address is typed correctly, including the HTTPS part, so Chrome can load it properly. As soon as you enter the website, your home page is saved automatically. There's no separate Save button you need to press. Now you can close settings and test it out. Click the Home button in Chrome, and it should take you directly to the home page you just entered. If it opens the correct site, then you've successfully changed your Google Chrome homepage on Windows 11. This is a great way to make your browsing faster and more personalized, especially if you use one website every day. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Windows 11 and browser tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.